First, I would like to explain about the screen structure of GXWorks 2. Title bar. The title bar is at the top of the window. The title bar contains an icon used for changing the window size or closing GXWorks 2. The name and path of the open project are displayed on the top. The title bar also contains buttons to minimize, resize, and close the GXWorks 2 window. Menu bar. The menu bar is the most frequently used bar when you are using GXWorks 2. Select the menu to display the drop-down menu. Various functions can be used from the drop-down menu. Toolbar. The toolbar contains frequently used functions. Using the toolbar enables faster operations. Move the cursor to the tool button. An outline of the button is displayed. Tab. Click the tab when multiple work windows are opened. The selected window is displayed on the frontmost display. Project Data List. Ladder edit screens and dialog boxes can be opened directly from the project data list. Data contained in the project is displayed in a list. Edit screen. The edit screen displays ladder and comment creation screens. You can edit ladder, comments, and parameters on this screen. Various screens are displayed according to the content you are editing. Output window. The output window displays the results of compiled operation, error information, and warnings. Status bar. The status bar displays the status information of GXWorks 2. Information such as the CPU type, target CPU, cursor position in the edit screen, current mode, caps lock status, and number lock status are displayed on the status bar.